Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do an accordion pass. Now, knowing an accordion would be really useful, and I think probably one of the most useful things to know would be a Catapult Back Pass, because there's a lot of similarities in the technique. So links to those in the description below. Assuming you've got those skills in your toolbox, then you're going to be ready to do one of these. It goes 7 and 8. Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. It starts off with an entry to an accordion. So we're right to right, semicircle back, offering the left hand. We're going to do this entry with the lady changing sides. So we're going to take the left over the lady, the right over the lady, the left is coming down. This is where you'd normally be getting a step back. During that stepping back time, the guy's going to flick around to the right, underneath that right hand, winding up his left arm behind his back. This is going to create tension in the arm, and if I keep turning, you'll see it pulls my partner forwards. That's key to what we're going to do. So as I continue to turn, I'm going to start to walk forwards and go around my partner. That means there's space for my partner to start moving into the area I was in. While that's happening, I take the right over the top, so the lady gets a comb. We let go with the hand behind the back, we let go with the hand doing the comb, and the right hand slides down the outside of the lady's frame, all the way down the arm into the lady's left hand. Guys, continue to get out of the way to the left, because now we're going to do a spin change places, well, return spin change places, through to the other side, and catch left to right, ready for whatever we're going to do next. Okay, so let's think about that again, and let's think numbers. Semicircle back and offer. 1. What is effectively the travelling return? 2. Guys, get all the way around. 3. Combing the lady, starting the movement. 4. Down to the hand. 5. Spin through 6 and catch 7. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, an accordion pass. It's offer, over, guys round, comb, catch, spin through and catch. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Hope you find that one useful out on the dance floor. Go out, enjoy it. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. If you do have any questions, do pop them in the comments section below, and we will do our level best to answer anything that gets asked. And there's a music recommendation in one of the windows that comes up in the last few seconds of the video of something nice to practice to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.